Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the Intro to Built-in PHP Functions section. This is review. In this lesson, you've learned that built-in functions are functions provided by PHP. You learned about several specific built-in functions, how to understand a function's description and the documentation, and how to discover new built-in functions. We've only started to scratch the surface of all the functions built into the PHP language. As you continue to learn PHP, you'll come across many useful built-in functions. As you write your own code, if a task you're performing feels tedious but common, check to see if there's a built-in function to do it for you. One final note, throughout this lesson you may have noticed that PHP's built-in functions often don't follow the function naming conventions we outlined. PHP's built-in functions aren't named following a single convention. Some are snake-cased, while others have unseparated words. It's quirks like this that can make PHP a bit frustrating to learn. Be patient with yourself as you get comfortable with the built-in functions most useful to you, and don't hesitate to look things up. Be patient with yourselves as you get comfortable with the built-in functions most useful to you, and don't hesitate to look things up. Our instructions say, we've provided an example of each of the functions we've covered in this lesson. Play around with the code to make sure you understand how each one works, or try out some new built-in functions you discover. Let's take a look at that, run it, and let's see. We have our first echo here, string to upper. Check it out, because there's that variable string var that is passed in, and we'll get all uppercase and add this exclamation. We new line to the next line here. Here we echo seal 8.8, which gives us 9, rounds it up. We have an echo, we have pi 3.14, etc. We have that string pad here that goes on both sides, a length of 30 characters. We use this pattern here, get rand max, rand, absolute value here, rounding our numbers, substring count, string reverse. Soon this will look normal. And we can see they're all applied here. That's that string to lower, string reverse. So these are all built-in functions in PHP that we went through during this part of the course. If any of them are still not making too much sense, make sure to go back and rewatch the previous lessons for more information on how they work. Once you feel comfortable on the functions covered, I'll see you in the next lesson.